but you don't know who did it. That won't be satisfied till all my niggas get it.
Hi, this is Teresa from Madrid, Philippines. Okay, so I'll be giving you the work tip of the day. So ang work tip of the day natin is keeping personal problems personal. So ako kasi, naniniwala ako that there should be a line, a boundary between personal and work. This is a common mistake ng karamihan sa atin, di ba? Because every day, pag pumapasok ka, ang hirap eh. Ang hirap hindi isipin yung mga personal na problems. Lalo na, kagagaling mo lang ng bahay, pupunta ka ng office, it's really natural na mapitbit mo yon. But we have to understand na in order for us na makapag-function, makapag-focus dun sa work, kailangan talaga kung ano yung personal na problems, maiwan yan. So if yung personal problems na yan, when you step out of your house, nandun yan. Nandun, iiwan mo na yan dun sa bahay. Pagdating mo ng office, kung ano yung problema sa office, kung ano yung dapat gawin sa office, yun na yung nasa isip mo. Kasi in the first place, wala ka rin naman na magagawa kapag nasa loob ka ng opisina, kung meron ka mga problema sa asawa mo, sa boyfriend mo, sa nanay mo, or sa family mo, or kung ano mang personal na issues pag nasa loob ka na ng opisina. What's worse is, ma-affect pa yung performance mo sa work. So, and it's really, really important that to keep your personal problems personal. Okay? So if you like this video, don't forget na magbigay ng thumbs up. Okay? So please like this video and subscribe to Madrid Philippines Media. Bye!